In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView password. If you're locked out or just need to update your credentials, I'll walk you through the official recovery flow on TradingView so you can request a reset securely and get back into your account. Keep your personal details private and follow along carefully. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. If you're currently signed in, start by opening the profile menu in the top right corner and choosing Sign Out. Doing this ensures you see the standard sign-in screen and prevents the site from trying to keep you logged in while you initiate the reset. Once you're signed out, you'll notice the profile icon remains visible in the same corner. We'll use that to access the sign-in options. Click the profile icon again to bring up the sign-in panel, then choose Sign In. On the sign-in form, you'll see the usual fields for your email or username. Don't log in here. Instead, look for the link that says, I forgot password or can't sign in. That link takes you to TradingView's account recovery page, which is the correct place to request a password reset. On the recovery page, you can identify your account by entering your email, username, or your phone number with the country code. Type your details carefully to avoid typos. Those are the most common reasons recovery messages don't arrive. Next, complete the I'm not a robot check. You may be asked to solve a brief challenge. This helps protect your account from automated requests. When the verification shows as complete, click Verify, and then click Search to submit your request. If the account you entered exists in TradingView's system, they'll immediately send a message to the email address or phone number associated with it. That message contains instructions on what to do next. Open your inbox, SMS, or WhatsApp, and look for something from TradingView. If you don't see anything within a couple of minutes, refresh your inbox and check spam or junk folders, as automated emails can land there. Also review any focused or filtered tabs your email service uses. For security, never share any codes you receive and only follow links that clearly come from TradingView. Some reset links expire after a short time, so act promptly once you get the message. Back on the website, click OK to close the confirmation dialog. That's it for the request itself. From here, simply follow the instructions you received to complete your password reset and sign back in safely.